Every week, new AI tools pop up, promising to transform your workflow. ChatGPT, Recall, countless others. It's easy to feel completely overwhelmed, wondering which ones to even bother with, let alone how to make them actually work together. Instead of boosting your productivity, are they just adding more chaos? What if I told you that you don't need to buy every new AI tool? You just need a proven system. In this video, I'm revealing my exact 5-step framework to integrate AI seamlessly into your existing processes, turning the noise into a powerful advantage. This isn't about buying more, it's about building smarter. It's tempting, isn't it? Every week, a new AI tool promises to revolutionize your workflow, make you 10x more productive. You see the demos, you hear the hype, and you think, I need that. I need them all. So you subscribe, you download, you experiment. You've got ChatGPT open here, a new AI writing assistant there, maybe a fancy new image generator, all scattered across your desktop. But here's the dirty little secret no one tells you. Simply acquiring more AI tools without a strategy is a fast track to chaos, not productivity. Instead of streamlining your tasks, you end up with a fragmented workflow. You're constantly switching between apps, figuring out how to transfer data, hitting token limits, and worse, wasting precious time on inefficient methods just trying to make them talk to each other. Your digital workspace becomes a tangled mess, adding complexity rather than simplifying it. You thought you were boosting your output, but in reality, you've just created more work for yourself.
All right, step 1 is counterintuitive for many. Instead of asking, what AI tools should I buy? Ask, what problem in my workflow am I trying to solve? This is crucial. Most people dive headfirst into the latest shiny AI tool without a clear purpose. And that's how you end up with more complexity, not more productivity. Think about it. Where are you wasting the most time? Is it sifting through mountains of emails, trying to summarize lengthy documents, or perhaps the initial brainstorming for content ideas? Maybe you're spending hours on market research. Are you struggling with indecision or unstructured problem solving? Pinpoint that exact pain point. For example, if you're drowning in data, your problem isn't, I need ChatGPT. Your problem is, I need a faster, more accurate way to get relevant insights from large data sets. Once you define the problem, the right AI tool or combination of AI tools will become evident. This step prevents you from accumulating digital dust collectors and truly enhances your efficiency.
Welcome back to Apodab. In step 1, we set our intention. Now it's time for the crucial second step, mapping your current workflow to identify bottlenecks. This isn't just about finding any place for AI tools. It's about finding the right places where AI can deliver a true productivity superpower. Think of your most common tasks or projects. Whether it's creating content, managing a team, or even just daily research, you have a process. Our goal here is to break that process down step-by-step tutorial style to see where friction occurs. Grab a digital whiteboard, a notepad, or even just a simple text document. Pick one specific recurring task. Let's say, creating a weekly report. Now, list every single action involved, from start to finish. Is it gathering data, analyzing trends, drafting the executive summaries, formatting the document? As you list these steps, pay close attention. Which ones are tedious? Which take up the most time? Which are prone to human error? These are your bottlenecks. Maybe it's the initial research for a topic, or generating ideas for a new blog post. Perhaps it's responding to repetitive emails, or even crafting detailed prompts for ChatGPT. The key insight here is that you're not looking for just any task to throw an AI tool at. You're looking for the points of maximum leverage. The areas where injecting AI can turn a slow grind into an efficient, almost automated process. This systematic approach ensures your AI integration isn't just an add-on, but a fundamental upgrade to your existing workflow.
Once you've identified these bottlenecks, you're ready for step 3, where we'll start exploring which AI tools are designed to solve these exact problems.
You've mapped your workflow, now for the exciting part, spotting precisely where AI can step in. Think of your workflow as a series of tasks, which are repetitive, which involve extensive data analysis, content creation, or decision-making. For instance, if your workflow includes extensive research and synthesizing information from PDFs or docs, an AI research assistant like Recall is an insanely powerful integration point. It provides instant summaries and even citations, transforming how you process information. Or consider drafting content. Instead of staring at a blank page, integrate ChatGPT. It's a fantastic sounding board for initial drafts, refining tone, or even generating ideas. This is where a custom GPT tailored to your specific needs can be a real productivity superpower. Look for steps that demand a lot of your time, but don't require your unique creative genius. Can an AI agent mode handle initial data sorting? Can Apple devices or MacBook shortcuts trigger ChatGPT prompts to automate a response based on new inputs in Slack? This isn't about replacing. It's about identifying leverage points where AI tools can act as a force multiplier. It's about finding those features that make your existing workflow more efficient. Think about how you handle projects, too. Could an AI platform help you break down complex tasks into manageable steps, or even suggest multimodal interaction points? By precisely identifying these integration points, you're not just buying another tool, you're building a truly advanced, systematic AI-powered workflow.
Now that you've identified your specific problem and where AI fits into your workflow, it's time for step 4, selecting the right AI tool, not just any tool. This is where many fall into the trap of buying into hype or simply acquiring a new subscription because everyone else is. Our goal here is precision. Think of it like this. If your problem is generating quick, first draft content, a powerful large language model like ChatGPT with specific prompts might be your answer. If it's summarizing vast research PDFs, then something like Recall or Notebook LM might be more suitable. Here's a simple framework to guide your choice. First, specificity. Does the tool directly address your identified problem, or is it a general solution hoping to solve multiple issues? Generic tools often lead to generic results, or worse, become yet another unused subscription. Second, integration. How easily does this AI tool integrate into your existing workflow? Does it have APIs? Does it play well with other apps you already use? Seamless integration is key to unlocking a true productivity superpower, not creating more friction. Third, cost versus value. Is the investment justified by the problem it solves and the time it saves? Sometimes, a more advanced solution like building a custom GPT or leveraging AI agent mode on certain AI platforms offers better long-term value than a free but limited option. Finally, accuracy and reliability. Especially for critical tasks, can you trust the output? Look for tools that emphasize data grounding, like Recall with its citations, or those known for high AI accuracy. A tool that saves you time but delivers unreliable information is a net negative. Don't fall prey to the fear of missing out. The market is saturated with AI tools. Your focus should be on solving your specific problem within your unique workflow, not collecting the latest shiny object. This isn't about buying more, it's about buying smart. By applying this step-by-step tutorial approach to selection, you ensure every AI you bring into your system genuinely enhances your efficiency and productivity.
All right, you've chosen your AI tools, defined your system. Now comes step 5. Implement, test, and iterate your AI workflow. This is where the magic happens, and where your productivity truly takes off. Don't try to roll out your entire system at once. Start small.
Pick one crucial part of your workflow where you can integrate the AI. For instance, if it's in AI agent mode for research, try it on just one document first. Run a few tests, check the outputs. Is ChatGPT providing the summaries you need? Is Recall accurately citing sources for your specific project? Don't be afraid to adjust. This isn't a one-and-done setup. Think of it as a feedback loop. Every time you use your new AI integration, you're collecting data. This helps you refine your prompts, optimize your settings, and even discover new use cases you hadn't anticipated. The goal is continuous improvement. By embracing this iterative process, you transform your selected AI tools from mere features into a seamless, ever-improving productivity superpower tailored specifically to your needs. This system ensures your AI workflow isn't just integrated, but perpetually optimized for maximum efficiency.
So, there you have it. The 5-step system to integrate AI tools into your existing workflow. No more guessing, no more overwhelm. You've learned how to leverage powerful tools like ChatGPT and even integrate new ones like Recall into a seamless process. This isn't just about using individual AI tools. It's about building a strategic workflow that elevates your productivity to new heights. Imagine the time saved, the decisions made faster, the tasks automated. This system transforms how you work. If you're ready to truly master your AI workflow and unlock even more advanced strategies, make sure to subscribe. And for more deep dives into specific AI tools and integrations that will further boost your productivity, check out these videos next.